Let's assume your BTech trainer has given you a USB drive. Place that drive into your USB port on your computer now. Windows will automatically bring up the folder. Open up the BTech Scales folder. And again. And open up your BTech T-Series folder. Go down to BTech ZTOOLS. And BTech ZTOOLS again. And again. And run the .exe file. The install wizard will start the process automatically. Click Next. Accept the license agreement. And make sure you choose anyone on the computer. Right here. And Windows will come up with its user control message. Click Yes. And then click Finish. We will go back 2 folders at this point. Open up your BTech ZCOM folder. And again. And run the MSI package at the bottom of the list. By clicking Next. Again, making sure it's for everyone. Confirming and agreeing. And the Windows user control will pop back up. Click Yes. And close. You are now ready to communicate to the BTech T-Series indicators.